'88 Scarab for the first time. Thing hasn't run in 25 years, and we found it abandoned, redid the whole thing, and today's our first test. But there's a couple bolts to drive it.
Or like say you're out and the thing locks up or does something dumb, you can just take it out and drive it kind of
back together for the summer or what?
I built the seat mounts finally.
Okay, but summer's here.
Yeah, he's been working a shit ton, so it's been.
Where's he working right now?
He's doing his own stuff.
Yeah, no, but I mean, is he just bouncing all around?
Yeah, mainly in Newport.
That boat looks good. Don't mind me. 38 and my 26.
Everybody good?
Yep.
Yep. Joe?
Joe, you ready to go?
That's going to give it like 1,500 RPM.
Everybody good?
Yep.
Yep. Joe?
Joe, you ready to go?
That's going to give it like 1,500 RPM.
See how easy that got out of the hole? I'm at like 10% throttle. Take a peek. Rise out a little bit.
All right, let's look at that information. All right.
Do it?
No.
He wants to look. He wants to look.
Yeah. Like I said, this is where we become methodical, man.
Yeah, no, hey, dude.
What happened? I was bouncing around. I kept hitting the fucking wrong button. Like, whoa.
I sent our tuner about 5 feet in the air one day in Iris mode.
On and off.
Just go ahead and turn both keys back on.
We puked a little bit out of the reservoir on the power steering.
How
does the tranny look?
Women hop in there again?
In there, yeah. Just overflowed a little bit here, which is.
Take a look at this other engine real quick.
Why does one say we're going 13 degrees and one say we're going 30 degrees?
What is your oil temp telling you right now?
200.
Let's see what it's really actually.
180 and just about 200.
Let's see what we're.
What were you saying, Greg? Or Dan, why are we 13 what?
We're at 28 degrees mean and we're at 8 degrees mean. Is that
Oh,
the turn of the compass or the turn of the monitor?
Well, that's speed.
No, I'm looking at the other.
Oh, over here.
Yeah. We're 7 degrees mean. You know why? Because that monitor is turned.
So our
Because
oil
that monitor is not
But it
square
should-
with the boat.
It has
Our
nothing
oil
to do. It has to
temperature-
do with the direction you're going. It
No.
doesn't matter which way you hold it.
So we're
No, it
at
should.
58
No.
degrees Celsius right now on oil temp.
What is that?
125?
That's 125, 130.
So they're way cooler than this.
Yeah.
Like I say, I'll call
Yeah.
Marcy in the morning.
Well, that's good news. I'd much rather have that temperature than 260.
And there we go, all done. Pretty successful day. Minimal issues, a couple little leaks, tacks don't read, stupid electronic stuff, just some water pickups, and we're good to go. We'll follow up once we get her back in the water. Until next episode.